Hello, I am Claire Walker, a student here at USF, enrolled in Accounting ACG 2021. Today, I'm going to present my Tableau assignment analyzing the sales data for KAT manufacturing. First, we're going to begin by looking at the sales and the data set. The data set includes sales from the KAT manufacturing spanning over multiple years and divisions. The goal of this assignment is to analyze the insights from the data using Tableau. It includes information based on sales figures, categories, divisions, and customers. This data set is very critical for understanding the manufacturing sales performance across many aspects, such as the years, categories, divisions, and customers. You can begin by looking at the first question, total sales in the fourth quarter of 2019. This you can see on the total sales by quarter and year graph. And when you look at 2019, you can see that the fourth quarter is going to be 6,637,873 sales revenue. The second question we were asked after completing this assignment was how much the materials processing category generated in 2020. For this, you can look at the revenue by category and you can see that it was $47,533,853, and that was just the sales revenue for the materials processing. The third question was, in 2020, what was the United States division recorded in total sales? So for this one, you look at sales by division and you can find the United States for 2020, and you can see that the sales revenue was $9,007,170. Next, we were asked which manufacturing's top customer in terms of sales. Then you can look at the graph of top customers in sales, and you can see that the R&Q Boys store was the number one customer. Then we were asked in 2021 which materials processing category stood out as the top line for Germany. And to find this, you're going to go back to the revenue by category, and you can see that materials processing was by far the biggest category for all of the countries. Lastly, we were asked which single product line was the top performer in sales for 2020. So here you would go to the sales by division or sales by product lines over here, and you will see that this single channel was the highest with 15,854,323 sales revenue. So when you see all these graphs spread out, you can look at the interactive dashboard here, which actually shows you all of the information we just used in one place. So it makes it a lot easier to understand the data when you can look at it all and see all the trends. You can see how Germany and the United States stand out. You can see all the graphs and how much material processing stood out, the single channel, even the customers. Lastly, it's also important to identify all those things, and when you're looking at the data, be able to see all the different strengths and weaknesses in the business. But